Hey guys, hope you're doing well. It's Mike, of course. I'm standing out in front of 2660 Nob Hill and decided to make a quick video for you guys of the house. So I take very little to no credit as far as its outcome of quality and all that stuff, but I thought I would make a quick video so you can feel free to share it with your family or whatever you'd like to do. So here we go. I'll do my best to narrate it and not screw it up. So, all right, beautiful front doors. So as you stand at the front door, straight ahead is the family room. To the left is the formal living room. And to the right is the formal dining room. So let's go that way. Beautiful front bay window. From there we're going to go into the beautiful kitchen. And obviously lots of natural light with the beautiful backyard. Lots and lots of cabinets. Beautiful work kitchen. Wet bar, prep area, kitchen out to the windows. Looking over the beautiful backyard and the beautiful gas stove with a nice hood. From here we have a little changing area to go to the outside, and then a full bedroom. And a full bathroom. Not a whole lot to see in the garage, but a whole lot of cabinets there for storage. I'll get back into the kitchen. Remember that was built in as well. Get the half bath. Now we're in the family room. A couple sets of French doors going out to the outside. Beautiful landscaping. And the built-in TV entertainment center. And there's the front doors again. And here is the front living room. Formal living room. Take a quick jaunt up the stairs. We've got the master bedroom at the top of the stairs. It's own fireplace. I think there's 4 fireplaces in total. I'm going to go into the bathroom. Some nice cabinets built in. Separate tub. These are her sinks, of course. And then a nice, beautiful shower. some built-ins in the closet. Then we're going to go into the secondary bedrooms, all of which are very nice size. And, lights, lots of color. Light, I mean. And you got the hall guest bathroom. With the full shower commode as well. Another bedroom.